Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
What a go on, what's great? Chef John Rice again, man, presenting to you my beef and pumpkin soup recipe. Yeah, man, I ate it late forward in the kitchen. I'm sure now if you cook it now. To get the soup going, we're gonna add water, pumpkin, garlic, pimento seed, thyme, and then we're gonna add some chicken base and then bring that to a boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. We add the chicken base at this point to give added flavor to the liquid and also to prevent it from boiling over. Fresh beef in, cook for an hour to soften 90% of the way. You want to add your dumplings. To learn how to make dumplings, click the link in the description box down below. For this soup, I'm putting in 2 styles of dumplings, spinners and then the round dumplings, and this is how it's done. You roll it in the center of your palm to form a small ball and then press with the thumb to get an indent, and there you have it, round dumpling. With 25 minutes to go, it's now time for us to add our yams and then in with the beef and pumpkin mix. Give that a quick stir and allow this to cook for 15 minutes on medium. Look like something are gone for the soup now. Alright. Our beef is quite tender and almost ready to serve. Now we're gonna add our Irish potato. The Irish potatoes help to give it that body, so the starch from the potato thicken the soup real nice. Corns are in. We put these in last because they cook so quickly. Chocho's in, otherwise known as chayote. We're just gonna add the final amount of water and then we're gonna season to taste with some all-purpose seasoning. We reach a point where I feel like I like the soup, so give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment your thoughts below and share it to your family and friends. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just gonna give that a taste. Everything Irish. Carrots in. What is soup without scotch bonnet pepper, fresh thyme and some scallion? Just let that cook for 5 more minutes on low heat until thickened and ready to serve. Look at that. Beef and pumpkin soup made easy. It doesn't get any better than this. Yo, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'm telling you, not gonna miss out, you know. Don't be the one to make somebody else tell us to post a video. Subscribe now for more amazing dishes like these. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And don't know, you know, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.